Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huawei Nova 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to use maximum zoom on this smartphone. To do it, you just need to open the Photos application and of course need to change your camera to the back camera. And how to use the 10x mode. So to use the 10x mode, you need to click on this 1x button and move it to the right part of your screen. Move it to the 10x. And now I'm recording the video or I'm taking a photo with 10x zoom. Take a photo, open it. Algorithms will make this photo better, and great, that's it. So for example, now I'll take a photo with my artificial flower. Wait a while, and great, as you can see, it looks really cool. So thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.